Day final, and we're making the mass morning exodus to park opening. It is Saturday, so I'm sure there's much more people now than earlier this week. Park opens at 8:30, which is in a few minutes. Probably just get to the entrance at 8:30, a little after. We're all heading over there. Well, one of two parks. I'm heading straight to Big Thunder. That's the plan. I'm considering getting a fast pass, riding it, and then fast passing it again. That's how good it is. Oh my goodness. Getting here early is the thing to do. I mean, it's the thing to do at every Disney park. But my goodness, it's empty. And it's beautiful. Look at this. Not too much of a soul behind me. Not many people ahead of me. It's like 8:35. So park opened like 5 minutes ago for resort guests for a full hour and a half before anyone else is let in. So I say it's an hour, but technically the park opens at 10 for guests. Oh, Pluto's meet and greeting. There's like barely a line. Oh, this is where it's at, you guys. I don't normally wake up this early for Disney World, but man, is it making me want to. What a blast. Literally and figuratively. Gosh, that ride is so good. I love that there's little seats here. There's benches with this like absolutely gorgeous view of the mountain and Phantom Manor and the boat coming around. God, those are always my favorite areas, or just areas where you can sit and chill and just enjoy everything for a second. I don't even know what to do next. I kind of want to do Space for the third time. Maybe tackle a couple other things in shopping, and then I gotta leave. It's already after 9 and I have to leave by like 12, so I've got 3 hours to get a bunch of stuff done. I almost feel like I don't know what to do with myself. There's like so few lines for things. Phantom Manor isn't open yet. They had the gates closed, but it looked really cool. They closed. I might just do Space for a third time. Star Tours I haven't done yet, so I'm thinking of walking on that, and then maybe Pirates for a third time because I really enjoyed that. And then I want to catch the ferry boat for sure, which is running. I just missed it. I was like, I feel like this is Disney World deja vu, where I was trying to make the ferry boat and I kept missing it. But I really want to do that because I feel like it's got some gorgeous views of Phantom Manor and Big Thunder and all of that. So I'm heading to Space. I wonder if there's single riders open this early. It might not be, because I might just not want to be staffing 2 lines. But man, I'm having such a great morning. It's so quiet, it's so beautiful. Like, there's normally a huge crowd around Orbitron. There isn't right now. Wait, the people on my ride knew exactly where the photo was, and it's so good. Yes. Oh gosh, that ride gets better and better every single time you ride it. That was my 3rd time. And it's so good. And like everybody in the morning is just like so pumped. Like we all got here early to ride these rides, and like people were just like cheering for the Star Wars theme, and like it was such good vibes for this ride. God, I love it so much. It's so good. God, I don't even have words. I just think it's amazing. I wish we had it. I think I even like it better than Rock and Roller Coaster. It's similar to it, but I will say not as like, I don't find that my head's banging around as much. Maybe it's the harnesses are better. Poor PhilharMagic, always empty. There's nobody here. It always looks like it's not even open, but it's like that all day. I feel like nobody goes to it. Okay, I abandoned the Star Tours idea mostly because I got carried away in Adventureland and I really wanted to check out the Aladdin walkthrough, which I should have already had footage of. If not, I will drop it right here. Big Thunder because I'm crazy and this is my third time riding it. I'm gonna just enjoy it and take it all in. Last ride of the trip, doing a little quick shopping, and then I gotta jet. I gotta get in a cab all the way to the city. But man, what a great last ride to have. What a beautiful park. What a wonderful time. Thank you so much, Disneyland Paris, for a magical experience, a unique experience. So much to say about the differences and thoughts and all that. There'll be plenty of videos. But what a fantastic time. I had a great trip. And again, if anyone's thinking about going solo to a Disney park, do it. I just did it internationally. So if I could do that, you could do it. It was fantastic. Beautiful, beautiful park. If you have a chance to come here, come here. It is spectacular in its own way. I love it. All right, time to head to Paris. Hi, Peter, we're in London. Nope, that's not how.